Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. And one more thing I just want to tell you guys, this complete video tutorial series is also available in Hindi. If anyone wants to see the Hindi version of it, for them we'll paste the link of our Hindi videos in a description below. So in my last video I had discussed regarding bookmarks, and in this video I'll be discussing on cross-reference. Okay, cross-reference is somewhat similar to hyperlink. In hyperlink we were calling a different file by clicking a link. So suppose in hyperlink this text was a link. Whenever I click on this text by pressing Control, I was redirected to different file. Okay, so hyperlink is used to link between two files. Whenever you click a text in one file, then it will redirect you to that file where to which this text is linked. Okay, but in cross reference we will be linking between the pages, between different pages. Okay, so suppose you have some 100 pages in your document and you have some related information. Suppose you have 100 pages, and in that information, in that pages you have some related information between your pages. Suppose in first page you have some information and some related information regarding first page you have in your 15th page. So what you will do, you will make a text like read more, and then whenever user click on this text, he will be redirected to the 15th page where he will get some additional information regarding this content. Okay, so in order to work with cross reference you should know bookmarks. Okay, because using bookmarks only we are achieving cross reference. So first you have to create bookmarks. So in order to create bookmarks, you need to go to your links group and then click on bookmarks, create bookmarks as page 1 bookmark. Okay, and page 5 bookmark, and then page 10 bookmark. Okay, now I have created 3 bookmarks. Sorry, delete this. Okay, click this and make a bookmark, page 1 bookmark. Okay, now go to page 5, and select this, click on bookmark, make it as book 5, page 5 bookmark. Okay, then go to last page of your document, which is 10, select the text, click on bookmark and make it as 10. Okay, now click add. Okay, now I have added 3 bookmarks to my pages. I have 10 pages in my document. Now if you want to go to your 4th page, okay, go to 4. From here I want to go to 4th page from my first page, and from first page I want to go to 10th page. And then from 10th page I want to go to first page. Okay, so to each of these pages you need to link bookmark. Okay, I will go back again to first page, and in this first page, from this first page, whenever a user click on this link, he will be redirected to 10th page, to the 4th page. Okay, so for that you need to click on cross reference, and then reference type you should select bookmarks. Okay, and then bookmark, we had created 3 bookmarks, right? All these bookmarks are displaying here. So click the bookmark to where you want to go. So whenever user click on this link, he should be redirected to page 5 bookmarks. That's why I have selected page 5 bookmarks, and insert reference to, you should select page number. I want to display page number of that page here. Okay, so insert, see, now it's displaying page 5. In order to make this text clickable, you need to press Control and then click on 5. then you will be redirected to 5th page. Okay, from here I want to go to 10th page. So what you should do, you should go to links group. Inside links group you need to click on cross reference, and then reference type you should select bookmarks, and bookmarks you need to select the bookmark 10. Okay, whenever user click on this link, he should be redirected to page 10. Okay, so and reference the reference to page number. Okay, by selecting page number it will display a page number here. Click on insert, close. Okay, now if I press Ctrl from my keyboard and click on this 10th page number 10, I will be redirected to page 10. And from here, if I want to go to my first page, then I should go to cross reference and then select the reference type as bookmarks and select the page as page 1 bookmark, and then insert reference to as page number and then click insert. Okay, here page 1 is displaying. Okay, so from here if I want to go to page 1, then press Ctrl from your keyboard and then click on the 1 symbol or number 1, and then you will be redirected to page 1. Sorry, I had selected page 1. Yes, okay, that's why I am in my page 1. You can see page 1. So this is how you can move between your pages. Cross reference is usually used when you have large number of pages in your document, some 100, 150, 200 pages in your documents, and if you want to move between your important pages, then you should use cross reference. Cross reference allows you to move between your pages with the help of bookmarks. Okay, so you should create bookmarks first, and then with the help of bookmarks you should create cross reference. Okay, so first you should create bookmarks for your pages, for your important pages. Once you have created bookmarks for your important pages, then you can use those bookmarks to create cross reference between your pages. Okay, so if I click on Control and press if I press Control and click on this number, I'll be redirected to 5th page. This is the 5th page. You can see here I am on my 5th page. If I press Control and click on this 10th number, then I'll be redirected to 10th page. You can see I am on my 10th page. And from here if I press Control and click on page 1, see, I'll be redirected to my page 1. Okay, so this is cross reference is all about, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and yes, I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing on comments group. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Muhammad Sheikh, and from past few videos I'm working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this tutorial series, they can view it. We will paste the Hindi version of this video in a description below. And in this video we will be discussing on comments group of insert tab. Okay, there is a group called as comments, in that they have MS Word 2016 has provided us to create the comments. So first we should know what is a comment, what this is used for. Comments are an extra information or additional information that one can provide to any text. Okay, in MS Word 2016, the developers of MS Word 2016 has given us a feature where suppose you have written a document and few of the words in that document are difficult to understand for others. Okay, suppose you have written a document and apart from you some other persons are also reading that document and they are having some problems in understanding the meanings of certain words in your document. So for those users, what you can do, those difficult words, for those difficult words you can add a comment. Okay, so by reading that comment they will come to know, they will understand the meaning of that word. Okay, so here I have written one small text in my Word document. So here there is a word called as newsletters or promotional newsletters. Okay, so just for the sake of example I have taken this promotional newsletters. So MS Word is used for producing resumes or creating promotional newsletters for business. Okay, so suppose one person, apart from me, this document is also also used by some other person, and while reading this document that person or that user didn't understand the meaning of promotional newsletters. Okay, so what you can do is you just highlight it, you just select this two letters, promotional newsletters, and then go to comments group, and then inside comments group click on comment. Okay, the moment when you click comment, your entire window will be moved to the left, and to make the space for your comment section. Okay, here you can write a comment. Okay, write say promotional newsletters are are one of the product marketing technique. Okay, so here I have written some description for these two letters, promotional newsletter. What are promotional newsletters? Newsletters, with the help of promotional newsletters, we can marketize our product. We can bring our product into the market, so lots and lots of other many people will come to know about our product with the help of newsletters, promotional newsletters. Okay, so suppose as I said before, you have written this document, and apart from you some other persons are also reading your document, and while reading that document people didn't understand the meaning of promotional newsletters. So for those people to understand what is the meaning of those difficult words, you can assign a comment for those difficult words. Okay, so just example, I have selected these two words, and then I go for comments group. Inside comment I click on comment option. The moment I click comment option, my entire document move to the left to make the place for writing comments for our letters. Okay, so if anyone didn't understand the meaning of promotional letters, they will come to know what is this promotional letters by reading this description that has been associated to this word. Okay, now if I click outside, and if I click on again, if any person who is reading the document, if he wants to view the comment, you just need to place the cursor on that, or you just need to okay, see, whenever I place my mouse on my comment section, that letter will get highlighted here. Okay, so this is how you can create a comment. And in response to this comment, if anyone wants to reply, like say I want bit more explanation. Suppose if anyone who is reading this documents, and he is read out this comments, but still he didn't understand what that letter is all about, he can put a reply to that comment, that I want bit more explanation on that topic. Like that, you can create a comment in MS Word 2016. You can, and the users who are reading those comments can reply to your comment. Okay, so this is how you can make your document interactive. You can make your document more attractive and easy to understand. Okay, so apart from you, whosoever else is reading your documents will understand better from your document. Okay, so this is how you can create comments, and you can reply to your comments. Okay, so if you want to delete the comment, you just have to right click on the comment, and then you will get an option with the name as delete comment. If you click on delete comment, that comment will get deleted. Okay, so if you want to set a comment, then select the text to which you want to add the comment, and then go to groups, comments group, and inside that click on comment. Okay, so then you need to write the comment, and if anyone wants to reply to any comment, they has to click on reply button. Okay, I hope you like this video, guys. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video, where I'll be discussing next group, one of the next groups of insert tag, which is header and footer. Okay, okay guys, see you in my next video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to see the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of this tutorial series in a description below. And in this video we will be going to discuss one of the groups of insert tab, which is header and footer. Okay, so in header and footer group you have an options like header, footer and page numbers. Okay, so what are header, footers? Header and footer are the place where you will write your important information, and header is normally appears on the top of your document and footer is normally appears at the bottom of your document. Header contains the information like your title, your subject title, if you are creating a resume, then it will contain your name, then your mobile, your email ID, all the necessary or important information will be written inside a header. And header is normally placed at the top of the document at this place. And footer is all the time placed at the bottom of your document. Okay, here at the bottom of the document you will get footer, and a footer contains the page number, and if you are working in a company, then if you are creating a company's profile, then company's name. Okay, all those less important, I would say, information will be placed inside footer. Okay, so if I click on the black colored drop down arrow in header command, I will get some different types of headers. See, different varieties of headers. You can see if I select this one, you have a type here, only one text. You can write only one text. In a second header you can see, if I click this header, I can use three fields here for my name, here for my mobile number, and this for my email ID. Let me just open this. Okay, so now I have added a header. The moment when I added a header, an additional tab called design gets added. See, design tab, previously it was not present in this document. The moment when I added a header, the extra tab with the name called header gets added. Here I can type my name. Okay, Mahmoud, okay, Sheikh, and then here I will write my email ID, and here will come my mobile. Okay, so suppose I am creating a resume, then I would choose this format of header to create my resume, where I can type my name, where I can type my email ID, and where I can type my mobile, because these three are the most important information of your resume. Because if with the help of these information, people can call us. Okay, whoever is looking for a perfect candidate, they can just by looking at the top of your document, they will find the necessary information and they can make a call to you. Okay, so this is how we can create a header, and we have different types of it. Just press. Okay, now inside design tab you have some settings related to headers. From here also you can change your header. See, if you want any other header to be displayed on your document, you can select. See, now my header gets changed to different header type, and if I select any other, see, now again I have changed my header. And if you want to remove the header, you can click on remove header. See, your header information gets removed. Okay, so, and let's go and add this kind of header. Okay, and there are other options like footer. Okay, if you want to add a footer, as I said before, footer normally placed at the bottom of the document. If I click on this, here also we will get different types of footer available here. You just choose whichever footer type is suitable for you. I will just select this facet. Okay, by doing that, a footer is been added at the bottom of my document. Here I can add my company name, or here might be date. Okay, then document title might appear here. So okay, so this kind of information, the information can be written inside your footer also. So you just need to think which information is most important for you. Whenever anyone sees your resume or any document, what information should be seen by that person first. Okay, that information you should place in your header, and the information that is a little bit of which has a little bit of less importance, that information you can place in your footer. Okay, if you want to put a page number, then click on this. You can, here there are different formats also available in page number. Top of page, see, in top of page you have different variations, top left, center and top right. Okay, this you have multiple different types of options available. I will select this one. See, if I am now selected option page number, top of page, first option, plain number 1, that's why it's showing here. Okay, then bottom of page, if you want to display the page number at the bottom of the page, then select this one, and then you can see here at the bottom of the page now page number is displaying. So there are different options are available. And then page margins, if you want to set the margins for your page, you can select this. Okay, see, come here, page margins, see here margin is getting added, and then current position here. Let's see what is there here. Okay, this icon. Okay, so there are lots of settings available for you to make changes inside your header. So you just have to make use of those settings. Date and time, if you want to select a date time in your header, it will display you the different formats of date. So whichever date format is suitable for you, you can select. Whichever date format is best suitable for your requirement, you can select that and click OK. See, now date is displaying on your document, on your header. If you want to display that date inside your footer, then you can click on date and time and then click this one, click OK. See, the date will be displaying. And document info, author, field name, file name, file path. If you want to display all this extra information on your path, you display author name here, and sorry, okay, then file name. If you want to display the file name also will be displayed here with the help of document info. Okay, so these are less important information. If you can it completely depends on you whether you want to display this information or not. And then here let's come to pictures. Inside pictures you can choose any picture and you can place it in your document. Okay, if you want to place any kind of image in your footer, then you can do that with the help of pictures command. Okay, with the help of your here there is an option picture. With the help of this you can display pictures in your header and footer. And then sorry, this is not this one. Okay, footer, click, and there is an option called as edit footer. Whenever you click on edit footer, that design tab will get again activated. And from here, if you want to display an image both in your header and footer, you just have to go to your design tab of you just have to click on your footer or header, and then you need to go to pictures command. Once you click on this picture command, it will ask you to select the image, and once you selected the image, that image will get displayed here the way I have displayed here. Okay, just for the sake of tutorial I have used this picture, but in real time scenarios there will be some sensible image will be displayed in footer. Okay, and then click on go to header to move to header, and if you click on go to footer, then you will be redirected to footer. So with the help of these two options you can shift between your header and footer. Now I am in my footer. If I want to go to my header, if just try to click on go to header, and now I am in my header, and if I want to go to footer, then you just need to click on go to footer. Okay, so this is how you can shift between your header and footer. And here this one is for previous and next. And yeah, there are some other options available which are not so important. We can consider it as a less important options that have given by MS Word 2016 related to header and footer. Okay, so but these are the major options as far as header and footer properties are concerned. So you should know about all these settings of header and footer. Okay, so in this video we have discussed how to add a header, how to add different types of header by selecting header, different types of headers in header option, and different types of footer in footer option. You can edit the header by using edit header option, and you can select a footer by going into footer option command. Okay, so I'll just start from the beginning. You just have to go to insert, and then inside you need to go to header footer option. Inside header footer group you have the options called header, footer, and page number. If you want to add a header, you just need to click on header command, and then you need to click on the header type. Okay, once you are in your header, then an additional tab gets activated with the name called design, and in the design tab you will get all the necessary settings that is related to header and footer. Okay, so just try to work on this each and every settings, and then you will be very much familiar with these options. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on like button, share it with your friends, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing further more topics in my insert tab. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Hyphenation, and from past few videos I am working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to see the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of Hindi version of this video in a description below. And in this video we will be going to discuss about text group, okay, which is available in insert tab. In text group we have commands like text box, word art, drop cap, signature line, date, time, and objects. Okay, so first in this video we will be going to discuss on two of the commands of text group, which are text box and text box and drop cap. We will be going to discuss drop cap, what is drop cap, and what is text box. Okay, so if you click on text box, you will get different types of text box styles. A list of different text box styles will be displayed to you inside a drop down. Okay, you just have to select whichever text box design is used for you. So okay, I'll select one. Okay, you can see if you want to if you want to write any information in this text box, you can just write it. Okay, and you can resize it. Okay, you can bring this box to whichever place you want. Okay, see, you just have to keep your mouse cursor at the edge of this box until your mouse pointer turn into this plus arrow icon. At that time you need to click, and you need to position. You can position this text box wherever you want. Okay, see, if you want to resize this text box, you just have to bring your cursor at the edges or corners of this box until the shape of the mouse gets changed, and now you need to drag it down. Okay, if you bring it up, then it will be like increasing the size of the text box. See, you can decrease or increase the size of the text box. Okay, and you can just write anything in this text box. MS Word 2016 video tutorial series. Okay, I have written some text here, and you can now decrease the size and increase the size of this box, and you can bring this text in any place wherever you want. Okay, so the moment when I draw this text box, an additional tab with the name called as format gets created, and this format tab is coming with some set of options. This format tab we have already discussed when we were discussing regarding shapes. Okay, see, this has some different types of shapes available. If you want to draw these shapes inside this text box, you can do that. Just have to select this and you can use those text boxes inside your big text box, and you can color your text boxes with different colors, and you can style your text boxes with different color schemes and different themes and different styles. Okay, this complete toolbar, this complete tab we have already discussed in our previous movies. Okay, so this text box feature which we saw inside this insert tab text box, which allows us to create different types of text boxes. Okay, see, okay, I'll choose now I will choose this. Okay, this text boxes feature which is provided by MS over 2016 is given to us for making certain lines or for making certain statements important. Okay, suppose if you want to tell to your users and suppose you want to make some lines of text to be important, or your users want to focus on certain part of your text, then you can put those text inside this text box. Okay, I'll just copy this, paste here. Okay, okay, here you can code. Okay, you can bring this, wherever you want. Okay, see, in your document, wherever in whichever position you want, you can move these text boxes. Okay, the way I said, these text boxes are used to make certain part of your document important. Okay, see, since we have kept this text inside a text box, that means we are we are telling the users that these texts are important, this line is important, focus, give some more concentration on these lines. Okay, so this is how we can create different types of text boxes, and we can put our important information into these text boxes, so that our users pays a little bit of extra attention on these text boxes. Okay, so I'll just press Ctrl Z now. Okay, press Ctrl Z couple of times. Okay. Okay, now another option inside text group is drop cap. Okay, uh, sometimes you require that your first letter or first word of your paragraph needs to be capitalized. Okay, in that case you need to go to text group and click on drop cap and click on drop. Okay, by clicking on drop option, first letter of my paragraph gets capitalized and it has taken 3 lines of space. Okay, by doing that we are making our paragraph more stylized, more looking more professional. Okay, this kind of feature we used to see in newspapers, in magazines. Okay, in those uh, in newspapers or in magazines, we used to see this kind of effect. This is called as drop cap. We have different varieties of drop cap here: dropped and in margin. Okay, see, the layout gets changed after selecting any of this drop cap. Okay, if I click none, then drop cap will get removed, and if I choose dropped, first character of my paragraph, which was M, gets takes a lot of space, lots of space and size, and it gets turned into a big giant character. Okay, so this enhances the look of our document. Okay, this is how we can use text boxes and drop cap feature to increase the readability of our documents, to increase the attractiveness of our documents. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be explaining about word art. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends and subscribers. This is Hyphenation, and from past few videos I am working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If you guys want to see the Hindi version of this tutorial series, for those people I will paste the link of Hindi video tutorial series in a description below. In this video we will be going to discuss on text groups inside insert tab, and the command which we will be going to discuss in this video is word art. Here, word art gallery. So MS Word 2016 has provided us a gallery with a name called as word art, which includes different types of style designs. Okay, Word 2016 has given us different types of text styles, or they have provided us a word art gallery. Instead of we doing all this formatting, instead of we spending hours of time in just stylizing our text, with the help of this word art gallery we can do it within a fraction of seconds. We just have to select the text. Okay, we just have to select the text and then click on word art, and then we just need to choose the font style. Okay, see, now the moment when I click any of the word art style, an additional tab, format tab, will get activated. Okay, this format tab has some set of varieties of settings available, and we have already discussed each and every option of this format tab in our previous movies when we were discussing on shapes. Okay, here you can see we have different types of styles, and we can increase and we can decrease its size. Okay, and if you want we can apply some different style theme also. Okay, the idea behind this word art gallery is that MS Word 2016 don't want we people to spend a lot of time in just formatting and just making text good look. Okay, instead of spending lots of time or hours of time in just making the text look good, or in formatting the text, they have given us a tool, they have given us a feature. By just using that tool or feature, we can quickly stylize or improve the design of our style. Okay, if I select this, you can see a border gets added to my text. Okay, see, shape styles, I have a different shape styles here. Whichever shape styles I feel comfortable, I choose, then that style gets applied to my word. Okay, I can fill a border. If I can apply a background, different background color using this shape fill. I can apply different border color using this shape outline, and I can apply different types of effects. Okay, see, so basically word art allows us to stylize our text. It will allows us to make our text look good, okay, without we spending hours of time in just formatting and applying each and every setting. MS Word gallery, word art, MS Word's word art gallery gives us some default or pre-made designs of fonts, by which we can use, and quickly we can format and make our text look good in our document. Okay, so all these options we have already discussed in our previous movies when we were discussing on shapes. Okay, so these all properties, each and every properties are related to this word art word. Okay, if I want to align, middle. See, text is displaying in middle, bottom, okay, top, yeah, and then position. See, I can position this text wherever I want in my document. So these are simple settings. I hope if you try it once and you will be able to understand. So okay guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be explaining few more topics of MS Word 2016. Thanks for watching. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Hyphenation, and from past few videos I am working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to see the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of Hindi version of this video in a description below. And in this video we will be going to discuss two of the commands that are present inside text group of insert tab. One is date and time and another one is object. Okay. So with the date and time command, you can display the date in different formats in your document. Okay, so whenever you click on this date and time, a window will pop up where it will display you dates in different formats. Okay, here you can see here 21st 2017, and then in second there is another format of a date where they have mentioned the name of the day and name of the month and then year. Okay, in this way they have divided the dates into different format, and so that users, whichever format is suitable for the users, they can choose from this window. Okay, because if I select this and click OK, then the date along with the time will be displayed on the document. Okay, so if you want whichever date format is required, is best for your requirement, you can choose it from here. Okay, if I choose this, I will just get time, and if I select this, I will get 21st February 2017. Okay, so this is how we can display the dates in our document. And then another option which is present inside text is object. Okay, object is a feature of MS Word 2016 that allows us to integrate different applications with each other. Okay, different applications each other. When I'm saying, if I click on object and click on this object option, here it will display me different types of objects. Okay, you can see Adobe Acrobat document, Adobe Acrobat PDF XML document, and then Excel Access. They have different types of objects available here, like Microsoft Equation, Microsoft Excel 97 to 2003 worksheet, Excel charts, macro enabled worksheet, and Microsoft Excel worksheet, and then Microsoft graph chart, PowerPoint. So the basic idea of object is, object allows us to integrate or combine MS Word application with any other application. Any other application means what? Any other application can be an Excel application, can be an PowerPoint application, can be an Access application, or the objects inside those applications. Okay, objects, when I'm saying, like charts. Chart is an object which is present in every application of MS Office. Like if you consider an example of PowerPoint, in PowerPoint also we have a chart, and in Excel also we have a chart. And slides is a part of a PowerPoint application, so that can be considered as an object. And another one is macro enabled slide. Slide is a part of PowerPoint, so we can consider macro enabled slide as a object of PowerPoint. And presentation slides, and then MS Word document. Okay, so with the help of object, with this object command, we can link, or we can connect, or we can integrate different applications of MS Office or any other. Okay, so most of the time we will be integrating with the other objects or applications of MS Office. Suppose I want to integrate my MS Word application with chart, with Microsoft graph chart. Okay, then I will choose Microsoft graph chart and then click OK. Okay, the moment when I select Microsoft Office chart, you can see a chart is displaying on my document. Okay, here displaying chart, here displaying the chart with the dummy data, east, west, north, and first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. This data is coming from the Excel, and we are getting a chart. We have integrated, or we have combined, or we have linked our MS Word document with our graph, with our Excel graph. Okay, I will just press Ctrl Z now. And similarly, if I want to integrate my MS Word with any other application or object of MS Office, like let's select Microsoft spreadsheet. Okay, let's select Excel worksheet. Okay, I will click OK. Then MS Word will integrate with the Excel spreadsheet. Here you can see I have integrated an Excel spreadsheet with MS Word. Here you can perform any operation, like any Excel operation, 20, then you can make a sum of it. Okay, and then you will display the output. Okay, so this is how you can integrate any applications, any MS Words, any other application with MS Word, any Microsoft Office applications with MS Word application. Okay, I will just press Ctrl Z again. Okay, we can also integrate MS Word with any other object, like let us say PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. If I click OK, okay, you can see a PowerPoint slide, PowerPoint presentation is displaying on top of our MS Word document. I was in MS Word, and from MS Word I managed to open or link or integrate MS PowerPoint document. Okay, I can write anything in this font. I can perform any operations related to PowerPoint now. Okay, so this is how you can press Ctrl Z. This is how we can integrate any Microsoft Office application, any other application or any object with Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is all about object. Yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video, where I'll be explaining few other topics of insert tab. And thanks for watching. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Hyphenation, and from past few videos I am working on our tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to see the Hindi version of it, I will paste the link of Hindi version of this video in the description below. You can view Hindi version of this series by referring to the link in the description below. In this video we will be going to discuss a group, document formatting group, which comes under design tab. Okay, so we will be starting on discussing design tab, and inside design tab we will be discussing document formatting. Okay, so MS Word 2016 has given us a group with the name called as document formatting, and in that they have given us some default set of formatting designs. Okay, the MS Word has done all this stuff. MS Word 2016 has done each and every work of formatting text. They don't want their users to spend lots and lots of time in just formatting. So what they have done is they have given us some design themes or design templates which we can apply on your text. Okay, if you can see here, now I'm in my design tab, and inside my document formatting, if I click on this arrow, I will see, or I will find some list of formatting styles. Okay, whichever formatting style or design style is suitable for me, if I keep on moving the mouse on these formatting styles, I can see the changes in style on my text in my document. See, each style is different. See, this one is different from the first one, and this one is different. So each and every style is different from the previous one. Okay, so whichever style is suitable for us, select this. Let's see. you have to see the effect, and you have to decide which style goes perfect with your requirement. Okay, then you need to take that style in your document. Okay, so basically document formatting allows us to quickly format our text without we spending too much of time in doing it by our own. Okay, and there is another option with the name called as font. If I click on font, here you will get the font family. That's exactly same option we have inside our home tabs font group. Okay, here you can see that this is the same options which we can this is the font family. With the help of this we can change the font style we can change the style of our font, and this is the same functionality we can see inside design tabs font command. Okay, we can choose whichever command is suitable for us, or whichever command best suitable with our requirements, and we can use that in our document. And there is another option called as paragraph spacing. See, no paragraph spacing. If I choose on no paragraph spacing, there won't be any space between the paragraph. Compact and then tight, open. If I keep on moving on these options, effects that effects takes place on my text. See, if I select on double space is applied between each line of my paragraph. If I select relaxed, little bit of spacing, 1.5 line spacing will be provided between the lines of my paragraph. If I select open, then 1.15 line spacing will be applied, and the exactly same option we can see inside home tab. Here you can see line spacing is there. Okay, line spacing of 1.0, 1.5. see, this is the exactly same command which we can see here also inside our design tab. And with the help of paragraph spacing we can add or remove the space between the lines of our paragraphs. And the next option we have is effects. Okay, we can apply effects with this, and then set to default. If I click set to default, okay, these settings will be applied to all new blank documents. Okay, click okay. Then yeah, in this document formatting group we have options like formatting text, applying colors, changing the fonts, adding or removing the line space, applying effects. All these options we can find inside document formatting. Okay, in my next video we will be discussing page background, where we will be discussing how to set an watermark, how to change color, how to apply borders to our page. Okay, so this design tab is completely used for applying some formatting to your document. Formatting in the sense changing the font style, font family, border, and applying all those default formatting templates, and applying watermark, applying page color, applying borders to your document. Okay, so in our next video we will be discussing page background group. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. And thanks for watching, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Hyphenation, and from past few videos I am working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. And if anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of Hindi version of this video in the description below. And in this video we will be going to discuss another group inside design tab, which is called as page background. And in this page background group we have three commands. First is watermark, another one is page color, and third one is page borders. First one is watermark. Watermark is a faint text that appears behind your main text area. Okay, behind your main text. This watermark allows your document to be authentic. Okay, once a watermark is been written on any document, that means any other person can't use it for their own use. Okay, because by adding a watermark, you can see whenever I hover on it, you will see a paper. We will see a window. In that window you can see there is a paper with a draft as a watermark. Okay, so for the reason of having a watermark in your document is that no one should use your data, no one should make use or make money out of your data. For restricting users for using your data for their own purpose, we should have watermark applied on our documents. Okay, so if you apply watermark on your documents, then those documents will become authentic. No other person can claim that this data belongs to them. So by making documents watermarked, we are restricting other users to make misuse of that data. Okay, so to apply a watermark, you just need to click on this watermark option, and here you will get some different types of watermark options. If you click off confidential, you can see confidential as a text is displaying in a faint manner, or a faint text in your document. If you keep on typing text, okay, your text will be displaying on top of that watermark. Okay, it will not harm, it will not affect the visibility of your text, but it will make your document authentic. No other person or no any third party can claim about your content. No one can claim that this text belongs to me, or this text belongs to that other person. Okay, because we have make a watermark in our document, so that no other person can use that document. If I click on this format, then watermark will be displaying in this format. So you can have your company name as a watermark in your document. You can have your organization or your institute or your firm name as a watermark in your document. You can have your name also in your document as a watermark. Okay, so basically watermark allows users to make their data authentic, so that no other persons can come and claim that this data belongs to me, or this is our data. Okay, so this is how you can add a watermark to your documents, and you can remove your watermark also. You just have to go to watermark and then click on remove watermark, and by doing that, watermark will get removed from your document. And page color. Okay, if you want to apply some other color to your pages, you can do that by just going into this page color command, and in that select any color which are suited with your requirement. Okay, once you selected the color, okay, see, now I have applied a color to my document. And if you want to apply page borders, you can select any type of borders. See, solid border. If I click OK, here page border, here it is. Okay, if you click OK, page borders, then select this one. Okay, now border is displaying in all the four sides of our document. Okay, if you don't want any border, then select none, then click OK. Border will get removed from your document. And if I want to add another document, shadow kind of, see, the border is displaying with a little bit of shadow here. Okay, you can change the type of the border. See here, with you can apply any other border here. Okay, so this is how you can apply formatting to your documents using a design tab, and in that you have some wide varieties of options of applying formatting to your text, applying font families, effects, and applying space between your paragraph, or applying a watermark to your documents, and colors, and then borders. Okay, so this is how you can make your document look good, look fascinating and attractive. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on like button and share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I will be discussing few more options of MS Word 2016. And thanks for watching our video, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to see the Hindi version of it, for them we will paste the link of this video. We will paste the link of this video's Hindi version in a description below. In this video we will be going to discuss one of the tabs of MS Word 2016, which is layout tab. Okay, now I am in my layout tab. We have different groups present inside layout tab. One is page setup, paragraph and arrange. Okay, first group which we are going to discuss is page setup. So page setup allows us to prepare our document for printing. Okay, first we will write our information. We will type in each and every information in our page. Once we are done in typing all the information in our document, then the next step is taking the printout. Okay, but before taking printout, we need to prepare our document for printout. Preparing our document for printout in the sense setting up margins, setting orientations, selecting appropriate size, and setting the columns, and then page line numbers, hyphenation. Okay, all these options which you can see inside page setup are used before making the printout of any document. Okay, here in this document I have written some text, and you can see we have four options like margins, orientations, size, columns, and apart from these four options we have few other options like break, line numbers and hyphenation. So if you click on margins, you can see MS Word 2016 has provided you some set of options like normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirror, and Office 2003 default. Okay, each and every option is having their own layout of the page. Okay, now if you whatever layout you right now you can see is the normal layout, normal margin layout. Margin in the sense applying spaces on four sides of your page. First is top, left, right, and on bottom. Okay, on bottom. So okay, so whenever you can see the icon that has been given, you can see the icon that is given for this margin option. See, they have they have given an indication for margins. Okay, so spaces, margins are the spaces that are provided by the users either on top, left, right, or bottom. Okay, if you will come to know when I keep on changing the different margins here. Okay, now it is normal. If I click on narrow, then the margins on all the four sides get reduced. You can see. You might have noticed previously we had a larger margin on all the sides, but once I select this narrow, the margin gets reduced. Okay, if I select again normal, then again extra margins will get added on four the sides of our document. So if I click on moderate spacing will be, or margins will be provided in all the four sides of our document. Okay, margins in the moderate in the sense medium size of margins will be applied on four sides of our document. If I select wide, see what happens. A bit more extra margin will be provided or applied on four other sides of the document. If I select mirror, you can see a different set of margin options will be applied, and if I click on office, you can see there are different. So there are different types of margins available. Based on your requirements, you can shift between these margins. So normal is the option which we used to see most of the time whenever we open MS Word. Okay. And then we have an option, second is orientation. Okay, so before taking printout of your document, there is a chances that you might take a printout in portrait or in landscape. Okay, in orientation we have two options, one is portrait and another one is landscape. You can see here with these images, portrait is like whatever we are having right now is called as portrait. If and landscape means the page will be displaying in a horizontal format. Okay, if I click on this landscape, you can see the width of the the width of the document will get increased and height of the document will get reduced. That is called as landscape. Okay, you can take a print of your document either in two format. One is portrait and one is landscape. Okay, and I'll again go back to my portrait mode. Another option which is available inside page setup is size. Okay, we can have MS Word 2016 has provided us different types of size, document size. Okay, letter, tabloid, legal, statement, executive, A3, A4, A5, B4, B5. Okay, each and every option has their own way of displaying the document. Now it is letter, which is the normal, and if I click tabloid, you can see the width of the document will get increased. You can see tabloid format. If you select legal, you can see this is somewhat similar to our letter format. If I click on statement, you can see our entire document is divided into two documents. And then executive will be format like this, and then A3. Okay, the width of the document gets further increased, and then A4. Okay, most of the times we used to take printout using A4 format. Okay, you can have different types of document sizes also, whichever size format is best suitable for your requirements. You can select that size options, and you have columns. We can divide our documents into different columns. Here we have here they have given us columns like 1, 2, 3, left and right. Okay, now we are having only one column. If I select 2, you can see our entire document is divided into two columns. Okay, what I will do, I will just select this copy by pressing Ctrl+C, and I will go till the end of this first page. I will keep on pressing enter from my keyboard till I get the end of the document. The moment when I reach the end of the document, then you will see it has taken me to the second column. Okay, see, again I will paste so that you can see now there are two columns because I have chosen two option here. Okay, if I click on 3, then my document will get divided into 3 columns. Okay, to display the third column, you just have to come at the end of the second column and then keep on pressing enter until you reach at the end of this first page. Okay, the moment when you reach at the end, you will be automatically redirected to third column. Again I will paste here. Okay, you can see this is how you can divide your entire page into different columns. I'll just make it as 1. If I click on left, then you can see, and if I click on right, so we can shift our or move our data between left and right by using these options. Again I will select 1. Okay, I'll just press Ctrl+Z. Okay, now these are the 4 options present inside page setup: margins, orientation, size, and columns. And the next is breaks, line numbers, and hyphenations, which we will going to discuss in our next video. Okay, I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click like button for my videos, share it with your friends, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mehmood Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. And if anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of this video's Hindi version in description below. Okay, so in this video we will be going to discuss 3 of the commands that are present inside page setup. One is breaks, line numbers, and another one, the last one, is hyphenation. Okay, in our last class or in our last movie we had discussed these 4 commands of page setup, and in this video we'll be going to discuss these 3 commands. Okay, so first is breaks. Okay, so as I said before, page setup is used to prepare your document for printing. Okay, once you do the documents, once you prepare the documents, when you enter all your data inside your document, then you need to prepare your document for printing. Okay, if you want to take a printout or a hard copy of a document, then you should prepare your document for printing. Preparing our document for printing is applying these many settings to your document. Okay, these many options, these 4 options we have already discussed in our previous movie, and in this movie we will be going to discuss breaks, line numbers and hyphenation. Okay, in breaks you will get some options like page, column, text wrapping, next page, continuous, even page and odd page. Okay, you have first option is page. Okay, now my cursor is at the end of the paragraph, and now if I go to page and click on page option, then you can see I will be redirected to second page. Here you can see I have 3 pages in my document, and but previously I was on my first page. The moment I go break and then click page, I directly redirected to my second page. Okay, so first page option is takes you to the second page from your first page. Okay, and second, this column is, right now I have one column in my document. Okay, in my last movie I have shown you how to create 2 columns in your document. Let me just create it. I will create 2 columns. Click on column. Okay, now I will just copy this and come at the end of the document and then enter till you get the end of the page. And the moment when you reach at the end of the page, see, word will redirect it to second column. Now I have pasted that data which I had copied from here. Okay, now here I have 2 columns. Okay, now what I will do, I will go to breaks and I will, now right now I am in my first column. See, if I click on column, see, now it has taken me to the first line of the second column. Okay, so, and if I click on column again, then it will take me to the third column of the same document. Now if I click column again, now it will take me to the fourth column of my document. See, so page option allows you to move between your pages, and column option will allow you to move between your columns in your document. If you have 2 column layout, then column option allows you to move or shift between your columns. Okay, now I will just press Ctrl Z. Okay, save it. And third option is text wrapping. Okay, now here on my, I kept my cursor on the starting point of my text, and now I will go to break and click on text wrapping. You can see an extra space or line is added at the beginning of the text. Now if I again go and click on text wrapping, another extra line will get added above this text. Now if I keep this cursor at the end of the paragraph and if I go page break and I again click text wrapping, you can see now now have been taken to the next line. Again I will go and click on text wrapping. Now I will be taken to the second line. So text wrapping allows you to wrap your text with the spaces. Okay, and the next page, now I am at the end of the paragraph. Now if I go to breaks and click on next page, it will take me to the second page. You can see here right now I am in my second page. Okay, and then click page, and then if you click on continuous, right now I am on my last line of my paragraph. If you click on breaks and then click on continuous, okay, then okay. Okay, now I'm in my first now I'm on the starting of my document. Now if I go to breaks and click on continuous, then it will take my entire para to the next line. Again if I click on continue, again it will take me to the next line of my document. Okay, so continue allows us to move to the next line. Okay, save it, and then further if I go to page break options, and then if I click on even page, then I will be redirected to even page. You can see 2, 4, 6 even pages like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so right now I'm in my first page. If I click on even page, I will be redirected to the second page. You can see now I'm in my second page. Okay, now from here if I click even page again, you can see now I'm in my fourth page. Okay, so even page moves or take the content of the document to even pages like 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Press Ctrl Z. Now if I click on breaks again and if I click on odd page, it will take me to the third page, okay, odd pages. It will move our data between odd pages. Now I'm on my third page. If I again go to breaks and click on odd page, it will take me to the fifth page. Okay, so odd option takes us to the odd pages, takes the data or takes the user to the odd pages, and even option takes the user or the data to the even pages. Okay, so these are the few of the options that are present inside breaks command. And then we have a command for line numbers. If I click on this, I'll get some options like continuous. Now right now my cursor is on the starting point of the para. So I click continuous, then you can see line numbers. Continuously I will be getting the line numbers on each of the line. If I keep on entering, line number will be keep on adding to my document. Okay, and the next option which we have is hyphenation. Okay, hyphenation is used, or it will put a hyphen at the end of the line. Okay, right now you can see I have space here. I have a space, so what I will do is I'll just go to hyphenation and click automatic. You can see. Okay, I'll try from here. MS Word. Okay, MS Word. I will click on hyphenation. I will select none, and if I click on automatic, then you can see it will hyphenation try to adjust the space which is left at the end of the para and tries to put a dash or hyphen. Okay, if I press select and select none, you can see there is a little bit of space is left at the end of the line. Okay, if I click on hyphenation option and then click on automatic, you can see there might be some changes here. Okay, this extra space will get filled up once I select automatic. You see, the business which was previously starting in the next line have come up to the second line at the end, and the remaining text has been shifted to the third line with a hyphen added at the end. Okay, so this is the use of hyphenation. We can set our text we can distribute our text equally on both the sides, either on the left and the right side, and we can put a hyphenation like this. And we have kept a hyphenation, or hyphen is been added automatically at the end of the paragraph. Okay, so these are some of the options that are present inside page setup. So page setup basically allows us to prepare our document for printing. Once we completed our documentation, and if we want to take the printout or a hard copy of our document, then we have to make some adjustment, or we need to make some settings in order to take the printout of that copy. Now what are those settings, or what are those options are? Actually, we will find those options inside layout tab. Inside layout tab, we have page setup options. In that, we will find all the necessary options that we can use to apply for our document before taking a print out of it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and yeah, that's all guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to see the Hindi version of these videos, for them we will paste the link of Hindi version of this series in a description below. And in this video we will be going to discuss another group of layout tab, which is paragraph. In my last video I have finished discussing on page setup group, and in this video I'll be starting discussion on paragraph. Okay, basically layout tab is normally used for making or preparing our document for printout. Okay, once we completed the typing in information in our documents, then if you want we can take the printout or a hard copy of this document. So before taking the printout or a hard copy of the document, we should prepare, or we should set our document for printing, or we can do that. We can prepare our document for printing by applying some settings or making some changes into your document, and those settings we will find inside the layout tab. So this complete layout tab has the features or the options or the settings that is related to preparing your document for printing. Okay, options like margins, orientation, size, columns, page, and these options which we have discussed in our previous movies. And in this video we will be going to discuss paragraph group. In paragraph group we have options like indent and spacing. Okay, indent is like giving an extra bit of space either on right and left side. Okay, you can see inside indent option we have two commands which are left and right. This is called as left indent, this is called as right indent. If I increase in the, you have to click on this upper arrow. If you click on upper arrow, your left indent will get increased, or an extra space will be added to your left side, from your left side of your document. Okay, right now you can see if I click on this arrow, you might be noticed that your text which starts from MS Word and each line will get shifted to your right. Okay, see, that means we have added some indent or a space to the left. That's why it's moving the text to the right. See, if I keep on increasing the left indent, then our text will be keep on moving to the right side. Okay, if I decrease the indent, then our text will return to the previous position. Okay, this is what you can apply negative indent also. Okay, this is all about left indent, or applying space or indent to the left side. If you want to provide some space or apply some space or indent to the right side, you can do so. Just you have to go to right and click on, see, if I keep on increasing the right indent, an extra space will be added to the right side and our text will be keep on moving to the left side. That means we are adding a right indent. So this is how we can add space to either our left side and right side in the form of indent. Okay, this is all about indent. And spacing, inside spacing option we have two commands like before and after. With the name itself you might have understood that before means applying some space before the starting of the document, and after means after the end of the para. Okay, now I have kept my cursor at the very beginning of the paragraph and I will keep on increasing the space before. Okay, you might notice that our text is coming down. That means an extra bit of space is keep on adding at the top. Okay, which is before. Now I have kept my cursor at the end of the para, and if I keep on clicking on the after, okay, you can see, I will just decrease the, okay, right now I am in the next line. Okay, if I keep on clicking, okay, now if I select this, you can see this is our before, whatever space we have applied at the top of the para. And if I click on after, an extra space will be added after the end of this para. If I click on this, you can see an extra space is adding at the end of the para. And if I decrease the before spacing will be decreased, and if I decrease this one, now you can clearly see how space is getting added and removed using this spacing before and after option that is present inside our paragraph group. Okay, I hope you have understood what these options are all about. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on the like button, share it with your friends. And yes guys, I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing further more options or commands that are in Microsoft Word 2016. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. And for those viewers who wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of Hindi version of this series in a description below. And in this video we will be going to discuss some other concepts that comes under mailing tab of MS Word 2016. In our previous movie we had discussed mail merge and what is mail merge, what are the advantage of using a mail merge, and how we can create multiple letters within a fraction of time with the help of mail merge. And in this video we will be learning how to create envelopes. Okay, So once we create the letters, we will be required envelopes, right? So whenever we will be creating a letters in mail merge like 100 or 200 letters, we are creating those letters for sending to our customers or to our clients. Okay, so we will be keeping those letters inside the envelope, and then we will be sending those letters to our customers or clients. Okay, so now in this video we will be creating the envelope for holding the letters which we had created in our last movie. So we have an option with a name called as envelopes in this create group. Okay, similar to what we have discussed in mail merge, we had created a table of recipients so that we can get the details of all our customers from the database. Similar here also, we have to create a table for our we have to create a table for all our recipients, which will keep all the recipients of our organization. Okay, so first click on envelopes. Okay, once I click on envelopes, I'll get this window with a set with here you can see this is the preview of our label. Okay, here will be from address, and here will be the to address will be placed. And okay, now you have to, and you can come to this window also from here, start mail merge option, and then click on envelopes. Okay, and with these options you will get a window like this. Okay, so go to start mail merge and then click on envelopes, and then you will get this kind of window. And here there is a drop down where it will tell you to select the size. If I select increase the size, then the size of my envelope will get increased. If I keep on increasing the size of the envelope, it increases the size of your envelope here. Okay, I will just keep it with 9 and click on OK. The moment when I click on OK, my document will get changed or turned into an envelope. Okay, once you have chosen the envelope, you can see where our entire document is converted into an envelope. Now we need to select our recipients. Okay, so in order to create select the recipients, first we need to create a database to hold those recipients. So just click on this select recipients, and then here you will find three options: type a new list, use an existing list, or choose from Outlook contacts. Okay, these options are same what we have discussed in our previous movie when we were discussing mail merge. Type a new list allows you to create a new list of your recipients, a new database, or use an existing list. If you are having an existing list of your customers or your clients, then you can use that existing list. If you are having your client details in MS Outlook, then you can import those contacts from your Outlook. Okay, right now I don't have any record, or I don't have any database of my clients or my customers. So what I will do, I will select type a new list. I will create a new list of my recipients. So click on type a new list. Okay, it will ask you to create your recipients. Type Mr. Raj. Okay, Raj Agnihotri, company name ABC Vijayanagar. Okay, and then city Bangalore, and then state is Karnataka. Okay, I will enter the second entry, Mr. Pramod Kumar. Company name is PQR and Jayanagar, and then city Bangalore, and then okay. Then I'll press again new entry, Mr. Sumit. Okay, next company name MNO Vanishankari, and then Bangalore. Okay, then if I click on other entry, Mr. Suraj Kumar, company name as XYZ, as BTM and then Bangalore. Okay, now I have four recipients in my database, so I will click OK. So I will be creating an annual up with the names of these four employees. Now okay, click OK. Okay, now we have to save this database as client. It will get saved inside your documents, and then there will be a folder with the name called as my data sources, and now click save. Okay, now when you save a database, you will see all your fields gets activated now. Okay, before connecting our envelope with the database or with the recipients, all these options were disabled. The moment when we connected our envelope with our database or with our recipients, all these options gets activated. Okay, now here you need to type your from address. Okay, from Shake. Okay, Bangalore, and then here you will get a text box where you will be typing in your address, okay, to whom you are creating those these envelopes. Okay, here you will see address block. Okay, as I said in my last movie, whenever you click on this address block, all the details or all the fields that belongs to each recipients will be fetched from the database and will be displayed here. Okay, if you click on address block, and if you don't want all the details of any recipient, if you just want to select any individual some of the fields from the database of any employee or of any clients, you can select by individually selecting each and every fields from the database. Okay, now just click title. I want title to be displayed, and along with the title I want first name also and also last name. Okay, then I also want address, and I also want the city. Okay, I don't want state to be displayed on this two address. That's why I had taken this insert merge fields. That's why I had opted to choose individually each and every field. If you had chosen address block, then all the information from the database for any customer or recipients will be displayed in your two. Okay, now you are done with your creating a template for your envelope. Now you have to take a preview of it. Okay, just click on preview results. Okay, now you can see the first record that was present in our database has fetched out and displaying it as a displaying it as a preview in our envelope. Okay, you can see this was the first record that we had added inside our database. Okay, now if I click on this finish merge, I will get some options like edit individual documents. So if I click on this edit individual document, it will give a window where it will asking us whether you want to create an envelope for all the recipients that are present in your database, or you want to create an envelope for specific records that are present in your database. Okay, I will select all because I want to create an envelope for all the records of my database. Okay, I have 4 records in my database, so that means 4 envelopes will be generated. Okay, now I will click OK. Now you will see here in this file, this is the first envelope with the name Raj Agnihotri, and this is the second envelope with the name called as Pramod Kumar, and this is the third envelope with the name Sumit Ganguly, and this is the fourth envelope with name Suraj Kumar. Okay, with the same from address but different two addresses are coming from our database. Okay, so this is how we can create multiple envelopes using mailings tab of MS Word 2016. Okay, I hope you understood what is the concept of this envelopes and mail merge. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing few more concepts or topics in MS Word 2016. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will place the link of Hindi version of this series in a description below. In our last video we had completed the discussion on envelopes, and in this video we will be starting the discussion on labels. So labels are like a sticker, which you might be required for sticking on your envelopes. Okay, once you write the letters, once you write the letters for your clients, then you required an envelope to put a letter, then once you created the envelopes, and then you need a label, you need a label to attach or stick on the envelope. Okay, so first we had created letters, then we learned how to create envelopes, and now we will be learning how to create labels. Okay, so to create a labels, you need to go to start mail merge, or you can also go to labels by clicking in this command. Okay, click start mail merge and then click on labels. Okay, and you will get this kind of window, and from here you have to select an option every A4 by A5. Okay, there are different options available. I have selected every A4 by A5, and then select, come to okay, scroll it down and until you get the option called as 51 by 0, and once I click OK, okay, delete the data. Okay, you can see envelopes have been created but with no content. Okay, so first what we have to do, let's just Control Z and go to this option called as labels. Once you click on this label, you will get a text box where you have to enter the address or address of the label. Say okay, and then you need to click on this label section, and here you need to select an option which I had shown just few seconds back, every A4 by A5, and then from there you need to select okay, this one 5103, and then click OK, and then you need to click on new document, and you will see labels are displaying on your document. Okay, if you want to display the labels in different format, you can do so. Just if you want to display more labels, here you can see the width of the label. Each label is little bit higher. If you want to create a labels with little bit of less space or less in width, then you can do that also. Then press Control set. Okay, now close this. Okay, go to labels and then type in the address, and then click on this A4 by A5. Scroll down. Okay, now you get this option 5101. Select this. Now click OK, and then click on new document, and you will get the label with less width. Okay, previously we had managed to display 2 labels in one row. Now we are displaying 4 labels in each row. Okay, now you can take a printout of it and you can cut it out, divide it out into different pieces, and you can stick these labels in your on top of your envelopes, and you can send your envelopes to your clients or to your customers. Okay, so I hope you have understood the complete concept of mailings in MS Word 2016. Okay, first we discussed how to create letters, how to create multiple letters with same from address and same content and different 2 addresses using mail merge. And once we created the letters, once we created the bulk letters, then we created envelopes so that we can put those letters inside those envelopes. And once we have created envelopes, then we move to labels so that we can create the labels to stick on top of the envelopes. Okay, so these are the labels that we can use to stick on the stick on our envelopes and we can send to our customers or to our clients. Okay, so I hope you got the basic idea of mailings tab and the options that are present inside mailing tab, like mail merge, labels, envelopes. Okay, so I hope you got some useful information out of this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and yes, I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing few more topics on MS Word 2016. Thanks for watching, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Hyphenation, and from past few videos I'm working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. And if anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of Hindi version of this video in a description below. And in this video we'll be going to discuss another tabs of MS Word 2016, which is review tab. Okay, in our last video we have completed the discussion on mailings tab, where we had made 3 videos on first was on mail merge, second was on creating envelopes, and third was on creating labels. Okay, and now in this video we will be starting our discussion with reviews tab. As you can see here, reviews tab has multiple groups inside it. First is proofing, accessibility, language, comments, tracking, changes, compare, and protect. Okay, most of the features that have been mentioned in this tabs are related to text or fonts. What happens if a person misspelled the letters or word in a document? Okay, like spelling and grammar checking, thesaurus, converting, making or finding the synonyms or antonyms of any text, and counting the words, then checking accessibility for compatibility issues, and then translate language, comments. Okay, most of the options that are present inside reviews tab is related to font or text or spelling or grammar or count kind of thing. Okay, so inside review tab we have first group is proofing. Inside proofing we have a command called as spelling and grammar. Okay, with the name itself you might think, okay, this spelling and grammar option might have been given to help us for checking spelling and grammar mistakes, or whatever mistakes that a user used to do while writing the text in the document. This command will help us to erase those errors or remove those errors from the document. Okay, now you can see I have written down a text with 5 lines of text here inside my document. If I make any errors in the right now, I don't have any errors in this document. So purposely or intentionally I will make some errors in spelling of any word. Let's say from word I will change it to weird. Okay, or worded to weirded. Okay, so now I have made some mistakes in writing down the letters in our document. So the moment when I make a mistake or when I misspell any word, you can see both these words have been highlighted or underlined with a red color, indicating that I have made any mistakes in writing these words. Okay, so how we can solve this issue? For the first, you just have to select this text, and then you have to go to spelling and grammar. The moment when you click on spelling and grammar, a window will appear from your right side having 3 buttons: ignore, ignore all, and add. And here they will suggest the list of words that might be correct, okay, which are related to this alphabet, this word. Okay, I have made a mistake by typing I instead of O. So spelling and grammar tool is suggesting me that the correct words might be amongst one of it. Okay, see, there is one word. If I choose word and if I click change, then you can see first letter, which was previously weird, gets changed to word. Okay, now for the second word, this is weirded, but actually it was worded. For this word is suggesting me the correct word here, which is worded. Okay, if I select this and if I click on change, then my wrong word will get replaced with the correct word, and it's saying a message with saying that we are finished checking your selection. Want to check the rest of the documents? Yes, I want to check the rest of the documents, and it's saying spelling and grammar check is complete. Okay, now this is how we can correct the errors using spelling and grammar command. Okay, if I again undo that error, and if I again select it, and if I click on spelling and grammar, and here you can see there are two options, ignore and ignore all. Okay, if you right now I have made a mistake, and this mistake is being highlighted or underlined with a red color. If you want to keep this error as it is, if you want to go with these errors in your document, then you just have to click on ignore. Then the error will get the correction will be ignored for that error. Okay, see, if I click on ignore, then the red underline will get removed from that text, and the alphabet will be as it is, like WRIRD, which means the error will not be corrected. See, ignore. I will just click on ignore. Then you can see the error will be remain there, but it will not indicate us with a red color underline. Again, if I click worded instead of choosing the correct word from the suggestion, and if I click on ignore, then you can see it's saying it's going with the incorrect words without indicating an error to us. Okay, now if I click on Ctrl Z again, and if I click on press Ctrl A to select the data, and if I click on spelling and grammar, and if I click on ignore all, the same effects. Okay, ignore all will be doing the same thing. Error will not be resolved. And select the text, click on spelling and grammar. Okay, now just Ctrl Z, Ctrl A, select the text and click on spelling and grammar. And here there is a if you want to correct the errors, then you can either click on change, or you can click on change all. First time when I click on change all, first letter, which is word, will get corrected. See, and the next time the suggestion box showing the correct suggestion for the wrong word, and if I click on change all, the word will get corrected. Okay, so and again I will undo by pressing Ctrl Z and select the data and press Ctrl Z. You can add these wrong words, these wrongly written or wrongly typed words into your dictionary. Okay, MS Word will be having their own dictionary where it is storing all these suggestions. Okay, these suggestions are coming from the MS Word dictionary, and if you want to add this wrong word also inside your dictionary, then you can click on add. Okay, and then okay, just select this and then add. Okay, and this also add this one also worded. Okay, now if I write MS Word 2016 and press Ctrl S, now it will not highlight or underline this word as a wrongly typed word, because we have added this wrong word into our dictionary. So by doing that, we are telling that this word is correct to our MS Word. That's why it's not indicating this in a red underline color. Okay, now again Ctrl Z. Okay, now if now we have discussed all the options that are present inside spelling and grammar. Okay, and the same options you will find whenever you right click on this wrong word. Okay, see, ignore all, and then add to dictionary, and you can make it as hyperlink also, and new comment also. We have already discussed what is hyperlink in our previous movie when we were discussing insert tab. Okay, the same options what we used to see here this side, we can also get all those options by just right click on that wrongly typed word. Okay, so this is all about spelling and grammar. Correcting spelling and grammar mistakes in MS Word document 2016. Okay, so whenever a user types some misspelled or wrongly typed words, then MS Word 2016 suggest the users by putting an underline with a red color, or if you have made any grammatical mistakes or okay, if you make any grammatical mistakes, see, at that time also MS Word 2016 will suggest you that you have made some mistakes while writing your text in the document. Okay, so this is all about spelling and grammar, checking spelling and grammar. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click like button for our videos, share it with your friends. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video, where I'll be discussing thesaurus and word count. Okay guys, I will see you in my next video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. And if anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of Hindi version of this video in the description below. And in this video we will be going to discuss other command that are present inside proofing group of review tab, okay, which are thesaurus and the word count. Thesaurus command allows us to find the or to get the synonyms and antonyms of any word. Synonyms means the words with the same meaning, and antonym means the words with the opposite meaning. Okay, suppose here I select this word program, and if I click on thesaurus, then a window will pop up at the right side, on the right side, indicating the name of the word which we are looking for, to which we are looking the synonyms and antonyms. See, program means package, database, sequence, driver, plugin. Any word can be meaning can be related to any of these words. Okay, so as I said, see, thesaurus returns the synonym or the antonyms of any word. Words with the same meaning or words with the opposite meaning. If I select word and then click on thesaurus, here you can see word means can be a term, word can be a term, word can be an expression, a name, a chat, conversation, talk, declaration, comment, or information. Word can be an information, word can be a news. So this is how you can use thesaurus to get the synonyms and antonyms, or the to get the meaning of any words. Okay, if in a document, if you are not able to understand certain words, then you can make use of thesaurus option to know those words better. Okay, to know the a little bit of explanation or the meaning of those difficult words. Okay, so thesaurus is going to help you a lot in understanding your document in a better way. Okay, and there is another option or command, the name called as word count. Okay, with the name itself you might have understood that word count allows you to count words. Okay, count the words that are present in a document. Okay, now if I select this text, then if I click on word count, you can see a window is popped up with some set of statistics, and now it's showing page is 1, since we have written a text in our in only page 1. Wait a second. Okay, now you can see we have only one page in our document. Here you can see there is one page. So if I select the entire data and if I click on word count, a window will pop up with the title as word count and statistics as pages 1. It's saying us that there is only one page and there are 71 words in a document, and there are characters 380 characters with no spaces, and if we include the spaces, that will become 450 characters. Okay, so these are including spaces and these are not excluding spaces. There is one paragraph and there are 5 lines. Okay, so you can get the entire information of your words, how many words are there, how many pages are there, how many characters with spaces and without spaces, paragraphs and lines. Okay, so you can get each and every information about your document. Okay, so with the help of thesaurus you can find the words with the same name and opposite name, or you can get so thesaurus helps you to to understand your difficult words in a document in a better way. Okay, and then word count allows you to get the details of your text that is been written in your document. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing on further more topics of reviews tab that comes reviews tabs in MS Word 2016. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I'm working on a video tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. And if anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this video, for them we will paste the link of this video's Hindi version in a description below. Okay, so in this video we will be going to discuss one of the groups of review tab, which is comments. Okay, we have already made one video tutorial movie on comments when we were discussing here. Okay, it's insert tab. Okay, when we were discussing insert tab, at that time also we have discussed on comments. The functionality will be the same, exactly the same, the way we have created the comment when we were discussing insert tab. Here also, here inside the review tab, here also will be the functionalities are same, but here they have separately, individually, they have given us different commands like new comment, creating a new comment, deleting a comment, moving between previous and next comments, and then showing the comments. Okay, so you will get a full complete package of comments here inside your review tab. But in insert tab we had only an option with a comment group, where we can only create command. Okay, create comment. Okay, so in reviews, as I have said in my earlier video, when I had explained on comments are like additional information or some extra piece of information that is been provided by the user or the person who has created the document. Okay, suppose you have created the document, and the same document is been used by your friend. Okay, you have created a document, you have written something in that document, and you have given this document to your friend. When your friend is reading your document, he might get confused with certain text or certain words, or he might not understand few of the words that you have written in your document. Okay, so for those difficult words you can add a comment. Okay, so that by reading that comment your friend will be able to understand what the meaning of that difficult word is. Okay, so how to create a comment? So in order to create a comment, here inside your document, I have written some text. Suppose for the example purpose, suppose there is two words: promotional newsletters. Okay, suppose you have written a document and you have given it to your friend, and your friend didn't understand what is the meaning of promotional newsletters. Okay, so and when he replied to you, after that you created a comment for that word. Okay, so now you have to select the word to which you want to add a comment, then go to comments group and then click on new comment. Then a window will pop up, will appear at the right side of your document. Here you need to write the description for these two words. Okay, right, newsletters are used to popularize any company's product. Okay, so here you have given some little bit of explanation on these two words. Okay, so that the people who didn't understand the word, by reading the words, so that they can understand by reading the explanation that has been given for those words. Okay, so this is how you can use comments to bring more clarity in your documents. Okay, suppose you want to add another comment, suppose for reports, then select this and then click on new comment. Okay, and another small window will pop up where you can write some explanation for that. Reports are used to analyze business sales. Okay, so this is another comment. Okay, now we have created two comments. If you want to move between your comments, you can move by using this previous and next commands. Okay, if I click on next, you can see our first comment is highlighted. Now the cursor is now automatic went to first comment. If I click on previous, then I will be moving to the previous comment. Okay, so okay, I will click on next now. See, I can move between my comments using previous and next. Okay, so and you can delete your comment also. You just have to click on delete command and then click on delete. Once I click on delete, one of my comments will get deleted from my document. Okay, so I will just click on delete now. You can see one comment will get deleted. Okay, you can also, your users can also reply to your comments also. If anyone wants some extra bit or some more explanation on these comment, they can click on reply, and then they can write like, I want some more explanation. Okay, so that when next time when you see the document, and you see a message or a reply from the other person who was using this document, and he has written that I want some more explanation, so that in response to this reply, you can give some more explanation on these two words. Okay, so this is how you can create a comment, you can delete a comment, you can move between your comments. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you get some useful information out of this video regarding comments, how to create a new comment, how to delete, and how to move between your comments in MS Word 2016. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on the like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing few more topics of MS Word 2016. Thanks for watching, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. And if anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of this video's Hindi version in a description below. And in this video we will be going to discuss another group of review tab, which is tracking. Okay, in our last video we had discussed comments group, and in this video we will be discussing tracking. We will be discussing the options that are available inside tracking group. You can see here we have some options available like track changes, show markup, and reading pane. Okay, track changes, as the name implies, track changes allows the user to keep track all the changes that is been performed by the user on a document. Okay, so if I click on this, I will get an option called as track changes. Okay, so track changes will allow the users to keep track each and every activity that is been performed by the user on a document. Okay, so if I right now I have written a document in I have written a text on my document. So if I just want to format this text, I just want to apply some format and format this on this text. So at the same time I just want to track all the changes, all the formatting that I am doing on the text. So what I will do, I will just stop. Okay, I will select the text and I will click on track changes. So right now I have clicked on track changes. You can see this command is highlighted now. That means any operation or any command, if I click from now onwards, that will be tracked using track changes. Okay, so I will just start formatting, click on home tab, and I will click on bold. See, the moment when I click on bold, a window will get popped up at the right side of the document showing the changes that is been done on the document. Okay, so MS Word started keeping track of all the changes that is done by the user. See, the first change that I have done is I have applied a font size font. I have make it as bold. That's why since our MS Word is keeping track of all changes, that's why it is shown here that you have applied a bold settings. Okay, if I click on italic will display here, and then if I click on underline will be written here. So that means MS Word has started keeping track all the changes. So if I change the font family, we can see font family is also displaying here, and I just want to change the font size. Okay, font size also mentioned 12 points, and color, and then see, okay, now I'll bring them to center. You can see center is also mentioned here. Okay, if I increase the size, for line size is also displaying. Okay, so MS Word started keeping track all the changes that we are doing here on our document. Okay, so I hope you understand what is the use of this track changes command. Okay, we have other options like show markup. Okay, right now we don't have any comments, so this one is for displaying the comments. Okay, so right now this, you can see comments, ink, insertion and deletions, and formatting options are checked. Okay, if I uncheck this formatting, then you won't see that dialog box. See, if I again click on formatting, so formatting details will be displayed. Okay, all the settings that we have applied on this text was the formatting settings, right? That's why is the formatting were displaying on the right side. So if I don't want to show formatting on the right side of my document, I just have to uncheck it. Okay, I will just make it checked, and from here right now I'm tracking the changes, right? So at this point, if I click the backspace button from my keyboard, instead of deleting that text, it will just remove black color from the text, because you can see here ink option is checked. That's why it's behaving like this. Okay, if I keep on pressing backspace, see, it will not remove the text from the document. Instead of that, it will just remove the ink from the text, because we have ink option checked. Okay, now you can see insertion and deletion option is checked. That's why text is not deleting from the document. If I uncheck it, you will see the text on which I had applied backspace of my button, all the text will get deleted. Okay, so again, if I click on show markup, and again if I check these insertions and deletions, that text will come back from the clipboard and display it again on the document. Okay, so these are the options which are less used, but in some occasions these options are also useful. And we have another command like reviewing pane. Okay, inside reviewing pane, we can it has given us two options, saying that reviewing pane vertically and reviewing pane horizontally. If I click on reviewing pane vertical, then you will get a review window where I can review my documents, whatever settings or formattings that I have applied on my document. I can review those settings. If I want to display it on the horizontal side, I can display it on horizontally. Okay, so this is how you can use tracking group that are available inside review tab. Okay, inside tracking we have track changes with the help of which we can keep track of all our changes that a user is perform on the document. And then we have show markup. Inside show markup we have comments, inks, insertions and deletions options. And reviewing pane we have two options by which we can display the reviewing window either vertical or horizontal. Okay, so I hope you understand the usage of tracking inside MS Word 2016's review tab. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on the like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing further more options of MS Word 2016. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mehmood Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a MS Word 2016 tutorial series. If anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of Hindi version of this video in the description below. Okay, in my last video I was discussing about tracking group of review tab, and in this video I'll be discussing changes group of review tab. In changes group we have options like accept, reject, previous and next. Okay, so changes groups allows us to accept or reject the changes that is been made while tracking the document. Okay, while tracking, what we will track? Okay, generally we will track all the changes that the user is going to perform on the document. Okay, so what are all tech activities that that a user is performing on the document? Those activities will be tracking using the track changes. Okay, using the track changes, and with the command of accept and reject, we can either accept those changes and we can reject those changes. Okay, suppose we have created two comments, we can move between these comments. We can go to next and we can come to previous comments using this next and previous options. Okay, so let me first start tracking. Okay, let's select the check, or I'll just simply click on the document and then click on track changes command, and then our drop down will come and click on track changes. Okay, now I will format it. Okay, all the formatting will get tracked using track changes command. Okay, now I have performed two options. I have applied formatting on my document, so all those formatting will get tracked using the track changes. Now I can click on accept this change, and either I can reject this change. Okay, I will just click on accept and then I will click on accept this change. So all the changes that have been tracked using track changes will get accepted. Okay, so if I want to reject, then I can click on reject. Okay, so it will not allow me to reject the changes because I have accept all the changes that have been applied on the document. Okay, so in order to reject the changes, I have to apply the formatting home. Okay, now I have made some changes and those changes are tracked using track changes options. And now if I go to reject and then click on reject change, then my text will be come back to the previous state. See where I don't have any formatting applied because I have clicked reject changes, so all the changes that I had done on the text gets rejected. Here now I will create two comments. I will click on this word and click on new comment, used for promotional activities, and second comment I will create on reporting, used for analyzing business growth. Okay, now right now I have two comments, so with the help of this previous and next comment I can move between these two comments. Okay, right now I am in my second comment. Okay, so if I click on previous, so I will be redirected to this second comment. Then this comment will get highlighted. Right now this comment is highlighted. If I click on previous, you can see first comment is highlighted. Now if I click on next, you can see our cursor moves to the second comment. Okay, so like this we can move between our previous and next comment. With the accept command I can accept the changes that has been tracked with the help of track changes, and with the help of reject I can reject the changes that has been applied that has been recorded with the track changes option. Okay, so this is the use of change group in review tabs of MS Word 2016. Okay, so I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on the like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I will be discussing further more topics of MS Word 2016. Okay guys, see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Hyphenation, and from past few videos I am working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. And if anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of Hindi version of this video in the description below. In my last video I was discussing about changes group of review tab, and in this video I'll be discussing about compare group of review tab. Okay, inside compare group you will find an option called compare. Okay, compare option or compare command allows you to compare two different copies of Word. Okay, and it will return the additional information that has been present in any of the file. Okay, in any of the Word documents. So compare allows us to compare two versions of a document, and then it will highlight the additional information that is present in any of the document. Okay, right now I have two documents here open in my system. You can see this is the file with a name called as tutorial, and the another file with a name with the same name tutorial, but the location is different. This file is saved inside saved on my desktop, whereas this second file is saved here in my F drive, okay, in different place, tutorial, and the difference is here I have this text, and in the file which I have stored or saved inside my F drive is having some additional information, which is text as additional information. Okay, so MS Word 2016 will return or highlight this additional information whenever I went for comparing these two files. Okay, so how we can compare these two files in MS Word 2016? Okay, so for that you have to go to your compare group inside review tab, and then click on compare, and then click on compare option. Then you will get a window where it will ask you to select two of your files. Okay, first file, I will select the file which is present on my desktop. Okay, and another file I'll select which is saved on my F drive. Okay, select this one which is in my F drive. Okay, now I have selected both of my files. Both of these files have the same name, but the location is different, and one of my file has some additional text on it. Okay, so I will click on OK. See, it has created another document which is document 3 with the name called as document 3, and in that document MS Word 2016 has highlighted the text which is present in one of my document, which is not present in both the documents. This is the additional text or information which is present in one of the documents. So MS Word 2016 has successfully compared both of these files, and he has highlighted the extra or additional information that is present in any one of the document. Okay, so this is how we can compare between two documents. So this is how we can compare the information between two documents. So I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on like button and share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing further more topics of MS Word 2016. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmood Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of this video's Hindi version in a description below. Okay. In my last video I had discussed with you guys how to compare two Word documents with each other, and display the difference between those two documents. Okay, and in this video I'll be discussing another option which presents inside compare, which is the combine. Okay, so with these options we will be learning how to combine the text of two documents into one document. Okay, so suppose you have written some document, one page of text or data in your one document, in your first document, and the another half page of your data or your text is inside your second document. Okay, so with the help of reviews tabs combine command, you can combine the text of those two documents into a single document. Okay, so we'll just learn how to do that. So here I have two copies of MS Word tutorials. Here first copy I have stored on my desktop. This copy which I have right now opened is saved on desktop, and I have another copy with the same name. It is not necessary that you have the second file with the same name. You can have a second file with a different name also. I'll just open it. This file is inside my F drive. Open it. Okay, right now you can see I have two Word documents open. First document I have this text, let's learn how to combine two documents, and in the second document I have with each other in MS Word document. Okay, so what I will do in this video is I will just try to combine these two texts. Let's learn how to combine two documents with the text with each other in MS Word 2016, which is present in different document. Okay, so for that you have to go to your review tabs, compare group, and inside compare you have compare command, and inside it you will find an option called as combine. Click on combine. It will ask you to select the two files which you want to combine with. Okay, select the first file. I will select the one which I have saved on my desktop. So I will go to desktop. I will select the file. Okay, and then I will go to select my another file which is on my F drive. I will select this. I will select the file. Okay, now if I click on OK, you will see a third file will get generated. See, this is the third file. Okay, this is the third file which is generated with the combining text. Okay, here it's saying that let's learn how to combine two documents with each other in MS Word 2016. Okay, so let me just show you again. Okay, yeah, I am here. Okay, in first file I'll put the cursor at the end, and inside second file I'll put the cursor at the end. Okay, okay, now this is right now I am on my first file. I will go to compare and then click on combine. I will choose the file, first file I will select, which is on my desktop. I will select this, and another file I will select which is stored inside my F drive. I will select these two files. I will click OK, and now you will see, you will notice I have there is one more file is created with the name called as document3, and in that file the text of both the files gets combined. Let's learn how to combine two texts with each other in MS Word 2016. Okay, so I have combined the text which is present in two different files, and I have displayed those text in third file with the help of review tabs combine option. Okay, so I hope you understood this concept. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Hyphenation, and from past few videos I am working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of Hindi version of these videos in the description below. And in this video we will be going to discuss about review tabs protect group. Okay, inside protect group we are having restrict editing command. Restrict editing command allows us to restrict certain users from making changes into your documents. Okay, suppose you have created a document and you want your document to be safe or to be restricted so that no other person can make any changes into your document. And you can also make certain parts of your document editable and non-editable. And suppose there is a situation that you have written a document and you want to share the same document with your colleagues or with your friends, and you don't want them to make any changes in your document, and you just want them to read the document. So in that case, what you should do is you should go to your review tab. Inside review tab you have review tab. Inside you have you will get protect group. Inside protect group you have an option called as restrict editing. Then you need to click on that restrict editing. You will get some list of options here which says formatting restrictions. Okay, with this option you can restrict other users to apply formatting on your documents. Okay, and there is a second option called as editing restrictions. With these options you can restrict certain parts of your document, certain paragraphs or parts of your documents to be restrict or to be edited by other users. Okay, now let us try first one. Okay, okay, now let us test with the first option, which is formatting restrictions. Okay, now with these options you can restrict other users to make formatting on your documents. Okay, so I will just click this check on this checkbox, and then there is a button called as yes start enforcing protection. Then you need to click on this button. Then a window will pop up where it will ask you to enter the passwords for your document. I will just type in the password, and again you need to type in your password for confirmation. Okay, once you enter your password and confirm password, and then you have to click on OK. Now your password, your documents is now password protected. Okay, now if anyone tries to apply format on your document, they are not able to do that, because see, you have set a permission for formatting. Since we have set a permission for formatting, there you can see here both my font group and paragraph group, which comes under formatting options, are disabled now. Okay, now if I tries to apply formatting to my text, now it's not allowing me to do so, because we have set permission, we have set password for our formatting. That's why I'm not able to make any changes. I'm not able to apply formatting to my text. Okay, you can now you can stop that formatting protection. For that you need to click on stop protection, and then you need to re-enter the password which you had entered just few minutes back, and then you have to click OK. Now you can see formatting is enabled now. Now at this time I can make changes, I can apply formatting to my text. Okay, so with this with the help of formatting restrictions option, you can restrict the users or other people to make formatting on your documents. Okay, now there is another option, editing restrictions. With this option you can make certain parts of your text to be non-editable. Okay, for example, here I have written some text, and I will write down few more text here, like user access restriction. Okay, now I have written one more 3 words inside my document. Now I want now I want other users to make changes only to this text, only to these 3 lines of words. So only I want other users to make changes only to these 3 words, and I don't want other users to make any kind of changes on these 3 lines. So what I should do is I just have to select this, and then I have to check on this second checkbox, and then select no read only permission, and then click on everyone, and then click on yes start enforcing protection. And here exactly the same way with what you had done for the last option, you have to enter your password and confirm password, and then you have to click OK. Once you enter the password, then the users can only make changes into this section. Okay, no one can make changes, no one can edit, no one can make any kind of changes to this text. You can see whenever I select this particular area, all my formatting options are disabled here, but when I select this particular area, all the formatting options will get enabled. That means we have given access for the other users to make changes to this line of text. Other users can add text here. Okay, other users can select and make formatting to this text, but no other people can make any kind of changes to this text, because we have applied restriction from being modified by other users. Okay, so if I click on stop protection, then I again have to enter my password, and now I can make any kind of changes into this section. Okay, so with this we have come to know, with the help of review tabs restrict editing command, we can restrict other users by making changes into our documents. And with the second option, we have come to know how to restrict certain parts of the documents from being modified or from being changed by the other users. Okay, so I hope you got some useful information out of this video. I hope you understood the concept of restrict editing inside our review tabs protect group. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I will be discussing some important topics of view tab. Okay, till then, see you guys. Thanks for watching. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Hyphenation, and from past few videos I am working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. And if anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we'll paste the link of Hindi version of this videos, Hindi version of this series in a description below. And in our last video we have completed the discussion on review tab, and in this video we will be starting the discussion on view tab, which is the last tab which is present inside MS Word 2016. Inside view tab we have different groups like views, show, zoom, window and macros. And the first group is views. Inside views we have certain groups of commands like read mode, print, layout, web layout, outline and draft. Okay, so here we have in MS Word 2016's view tabs view group, they have given us different layouts options. With the help of these layout options we can change the layout of our document. We can display the layout, or we can change the appearance of our documents from one layout to another layout. We have different layouts like read mode, print layout and web layout. Right now we are in the print layout. Same options, same three options which you can see inside your view group are also present inside here at the right bottom of your MS Word window. You will find the same options here, but here they have given only the icons, not the labels. Okay, first one is the read mode. The read mode you will find here there you can see tooltip is showing with the name called as read mode. And print layout mode is which is this one, which is right now selected. We are in our print layout. And this is the third one, which is the web layout, and you can see web layout is here also. Okay, so by default print layout will be selected, which is most of the times people used to use while using MS Word any version. And read mode, if you click on read mode, it will display your text. It will take the entire area of your document for displaying the text. Okay, it will be displaying like a slideshow, PowerPoint slideshow. Okay, here there are navigation buttons, to arrows buttons. If we have multiple pages, then we can make use of these arrows or navigation buttons. Okay, so this read mode is for most of the times it is used for reading purpose. Whenever we have done writing our documents, and at a time when we need to read our documents, at that time we can make use of this read mode option. Yeah, if we want to again toggle or to move from read mode and we want to come back to our print layout, then we have to click on this print layout option. See, we came back to our previous layout, which is the print layout. And from here, if you want to move to your web layout, then you have to click on web layout option. See, here it's displaying your document in the form of a web layout, in the form of a web page. How we normally used to browse when we are using internet, how we used to browse internet pages, exactly the same way the appearance will be like a web page. It will display the data in the form of a web page. That's why it has been called as a web layout. Here right now this web layout icon is selected, so you can move between your pages. We can move between your layouts from read mode to print layout, and you can move from print layout to web layout. Okay, so whichever layout is comfortable with you, you can use that layout for your reading, for your writing, or for doing any kind of stuff in MS Word 2016. Okay, you can change to our print layout, which is the default one. And apart from these three layout options, we have two other commands also available inside view group, which is outline. If you click on outline view, you will see the difference in your document area. Here they have divided this outline view into different levels, for level 1 and level 2, level 3. Based on the types of levels you are selecting, the style of your font or the size of your font will get changed. Okay, you can also change between your levels by just clicking on these arrows. You see, if I keep on clicking on these arrows, my levels will get changed from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Okay, if I click on this arrow, it will directly take me to the last arrow, last level, which is the 9th level. Okay, see, body text level. Okay, if I click on this back arrow, then it will again take me to the first level, and if I click on 1, 2, 3, and if I click on back, it will take me in reverse order. Okay, so right now I'm in my first level. Okay, show documents, you can select any of the options, and you can just try to check what each and every options are used for. So this is the use of view tabs, view group. You can move between your layouts, between different layouts. They have provided the facility of using different layouts for your document. You can use either read mode, print layout, or web layout. So yeah, that's all, guys. And the last option which I can tell you in this here is the zoom. Here on the right bottom side, you will find a zoom option with a zoom in and zoom out option, with the help of which you can increase the size of your window or decrease the size of your window. If I click on zoom in, the size of my window will get increased. You can see the percentage is showing here 160. Right now I'm in my 160 at the zoom percentage. See, if you keep on clicking the zoom in, your window size will get increased, and if you want to decrease the window size, you just have to click on zoom out. Okay, this is how you can increase or decrease the size of your MS Word window 2016. Okay, that is what view group is all about, which comes under views tab. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video, where I'll be discussing another group of MS Word 2016, which is the show group. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends and subscribers. This is Muhammad Sheikh, and from past few videos I'm working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. In my last video I had discussed on views group inside view tab, and in this video I'll be discussing on show group of view tab. Inside show group we have three commands like ruler, grid lines, and navigation pane. Here each command is associated with a checkbox. So if I click on this ruler checkbox, you can see a ruler or scale start appearing at the top of the window and on the left side of the document area. Okay, so if I uncheck it, the ruler will get disappear from both the sides. If I again check on this ruler, again ruler scale starts appearing on the top of the window and on the left side of the window. So with the help of this ruler scale, I can adjust the size, or I can increase or decrease the width or height of this document area. Okay, now you can see the scale or the ruler which is displaying on the top of the side. With the help of this ruler, I can increase the width. I can increase the width of my Word document area. Okay, see my size of the area, or my size of the document starts increasing here. Okay, if I want to increase it from the right side, I just have to click on this slider or this small triangle area, and then I have to drag it to the right. Okay, see the area of my text gets increased, and yeah, this is how you can increase the document area using the ruler or scale. Okay, here on the right, on the left side of the document, you have another scale, with the help of which you can increase your document area on the top side. Okay, see, now I'm taking my text to be appear on the top side of my document. Okay, by this I have increased the document area. See, previously the text was here, somewhere here, and this scale was somewhere here, so my document typing area was comparatively less. So by doing this, I have increased my document area, my Word document area, by adjusting the width and height of my document with the help of these rulers. Okay, you can do this here also, see at the bottom also. So yeah, with the help of these rulers you can adjust, you can increase or decrease the size of your document. Okay, and there is another option called as grid lines. If I check on these grid lines, the lines small, thin and small vertical and horizontal lines will start appearing on the document. And if I click on this navigation pane, a navigation pane will start appearing on the left side of the document, where I will have some options like headings, pages and results. Okay, so this is all about rulers, grid lines and navigation panes. So I hope you got some idea about these options. I hope you understood how to use rulers, grid lines and navigation pins. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on like button, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing another group of view tab. Thanks for watching, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mehmood Sheikh, and from past few videos I'm working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will place the link of Hindi version of this series in the description below. In this video we will be going to discuss Zoom group of view tab. Inside Zoom group we have some set of options or commands like zoom and 100% zoom, one page, multiple pages and page width. Okay, so with the help of this zoom option I can increase the size of my document either by 200%, 100%, 70, 75%. If I click on 200%, I click OK, then my document size will get increased by 200%. And if I want to make my document to be 100% width, then I have to click on 100%. Okay, see, my document will get turned into 100% width. And there is and if I again want to select 200%, then my document will get changed to 200% size. And from here, if I want to bring the document back to 100%, then I just have to click on this 100% icon. Then my document will get turned back to 100%. And apart from these options, we have some other options like one page. If I click on this one page, just try to notice the width of my document will get decreased or reduced. And if I click on multiple pages, then in this icon itself you can see if we have multiple pages in our document, then all those pages will get then the document pages will get displayed side by side. See, right now I have two pages in my document, so those two documents are displaying side by side. Or again, if I click on this page width, I can see the size or document size of my document will get increased to 154%. Okay? This is how you can increase or decrease the size or width of your document using this zoom group. With the zoom option, when you click on zoom command, a window will pop up where it will has some list of options like zoom to 200%, or either to 200, 100 or 75%, or you can manually increase or decrease or adjust the percentage with this box. Okay, and there is another option called as 100%. If you are in 154%, right now I'm in 154%, and if I want to go back to 100%, then I just have to click on this 100% icon. I will be bring back to the 100% width of my document, and this one page I will convert your document into a smaller size. And if you have multiple pages, then those pages will get displayed side by side with the help of these multiple pages. And if you click on this page width, your size of your document will get increased. Okay, so this is how you can make use of zoom command of your zoom group of your view tab. Okay, I hope you got some useful information out of this video. I hope you got some basic information of how to increase or decrease the width of your MS Word 2016 document. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video where I'll be discussing on other group of view tab. Until then, goodbye guys, thanks for watching. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mehmood Sheikh, and from past few videos I'm working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. If anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this series, for them we will paste the link of this series Hindi versions link in a description below. And in this video we will be going to discuss one of the groups of view tab, which is Windows. Inside Windows we have some set of commands like new window, arrange all, split, switch windows. Okay, Yeah, that's all. We'll be going to discuss, we'll be start our discussion with new window. Okay, as you can see, there are three commands available inside window option. Right now, uh, if I click on new window, see, you can see a tutorial one file gets opened with the same content. Okay, if I close this, and you have right now I'm working with the file name, which you can see at the top of this window. In the title bar, you can see the name of the file name is tutorial. Okay, if I click on new window, exactly same window will get open, or another window will be opened with the same content, and file name will be tutorial 2. See, if I click on new window, you can see my previous file gets renamed to tutorial 1, and the new fresh new document gets opened with the name called as tutorial 2 with the same content. Okay, here this is my previous file which has this content, and the second file or second window that gets opened, which is this one, tutorial 2, with the same content. Okay, so with this we have learned, with the new window it will create a new window with the same content with different file name. Um, Now if I want to split my documents into two parts, I can split that by using this split option. For that I just have to click on this split. You can see my entire document is split out, is divided into two parts, and each part is having the same content. This is the first part and this is the second part. Okay, if I scroll this down, you can see this document is having two pages, which are initially I had two pages in my document, and if I come to second window, this document will also having the two pages. Okay, so split command divides our entire document into two parts, where each part is having same content. The content will get copied between both the files, or between both the copies. Okay, now I will just click on remove split, and again I will click on new window. You can see and another window as with the name called tutorial 2 is created, but with the same content. Now if I go to my tutorial 1, and if I click on arrange all, then you can see I had two windows, tutorial 1 and tutorial 2. Both these two windows are placed one below the other. Okay, see, this is the tutorial 2 window which I have created by clicking on new window, and this is the first window. This is the tutorial 1, was the initial window with which I had started this tutorial. So when I click on this arrange all command, these two windows settle down just below to each other. Okay, second window is placed below the first window. Now see, I can't do, see here. Okay, this is how we can arrange multiple windows just below one, below different, below any other window. Yeah, so this is the use of window groups, window group that comes under views tab. Okay, so with this new window or command, we can create, we can make a new window, and with the split option we can divide our entire document into two parts, and with arrange all we can arrange multiple windows to be displayed one below the other. Okay, so yeah, that's all. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I will be discussing macros. Thanks for watching. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a tutorial series of Microsoft Word 2016. And in this, if anyone wants to view the Hindi version of this video, for them we will paste the link of this series Hindi version link in a description below. And in this video we will be going to discuss one of the important topics of MS Word 2016, which is macros. Okay, inside view tab at the very end we will find the group called as macros. Macros, if I say, macros are the automated commands. Macros allows us to automate our frequently performed tasks. Okay, so macros helps us to automate our most frequently performed tasks, or in other words, if I say macros are the set of commands that combine together to perform any kind of task. Okay, let us discuss with an example. Suppose you are working in an organization and you are creating reports, any kind of reports, and you are preparing those reports on daily basis. And so whenever you are preparing reports, you need to create tables, and then you need to format those tables. So what I'm saying is, if you are doing same kind of tasks, if you are doing the same kind of activities each and every day when you are coming to office, and instead of each and every day creating table and formatting, for applying formatting on those tables, it will take too much of time, right? So instead of repeatedly or day by day doing the same formatting stuff, why don't we just record those formatting, and then the next time when we require the same formatting, then we don't have to apply the formatting again and again. We just have to call the recorded macro. Okay, so first time whenever you will be doing the formatting, at that time you need to record that formatting using the macro, and the next time whenever you are creating any report and you want the same formatting to be applied on your table, on your reports, then you just have to call that specific macro which you had recorded while formatting your table. Okay, so in that way macros allows us to reduce our time, macros allows us to manage our time, or macros helps us to prepare our reports or to format our reports with a less time. Okay, so let's just start with our macros tutorial. Okay, right now I have a marks sheet here. I want to format this mark sheet. Okay, so what I will do, I will just select this complete data, and then I will go to macros and then click on record macro. Okay, the moment when I click on record macro, and each and every activity I perform after clicking on record macro will get recorded inside a recorder. Okay, so I'll just click on record macro. Now you need to give it a name as tutorial 1. Okay, then click on OK. Now our recording stuff is going on. We can see there is a small icon is displaying at the status bar. Now we have to start formatting. Okay, I will click on, I just want it to be bold, and I want this to be italic also. I will just change the font family to Arial. Okay, and I will reduce the font size, and then I will apply some styling. Okay, and I will change the color. Let's say no color. Okay, then I will just set an alignment. I will bring those two in middle. Okay, so now all the formatting that I have done for this table is recorded inside a macro, and now I'm done with my formatting. I will just go back to my view tab, and inside view tab click on macros, and then I will click on stop recording. You can also pause the recording also in the middle. If you want to do something else, you can pause this recording also, but right now I will just click on stop recording. Now you can see the icon of the recording will get changed, and our recording is stopped now. Now you can see I have done this formatting to my entire table, and suppose tomorrow when I'm coming to office and I have to create another report, and I want to apply the same formatting to my table. So instead of doing it again and again, what I should have to do is, suppose this is the second table and I have to apply the same formatting to my second table or my second report. So what I will do is I will just select this table. So now instead of going to home and again applying all this formatting to my second table, I will just go to view tab, and inside view tab I have an option called as view macros. I will click on that macros, and then I will click on run macro. Okay, see, the moment when I click on run, my formatting applies to this table also. Okay, so this is how you can prepare your work with a faster pace. You can complete your work with faster pace. Okay, so that's what, guys. You just have to first, before while creating a macro, you just have to select the table or data, and then you have to click on macros, and then click on record macro. It will ask you to give it a name to your macro. Once you give it the name, it will start recording your macro, your recording. And once you are done with your formatting, then just you have to click on stop recording or stop macro, and then you can use that macro n number of times to apply formatting to your reports. Okay, so yeah, that's what the use of macro. Yeah, I hope you got some information. I hope you understood the concept of macros in MS Word 2016. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video, where I'll be discussing a few more topics on MS Word 2016. Thanks for watching, guys. Soon.